Uh-oh, there are still more dinosaur letters to match. Let's find U. Big letter U, little u. Blue stegosaurus, blue bowl. What comes after U? Yes, V. Big letter V, little v. Red brontosaurus, red bowl. What comes after V? Yes, W. Big W, little w. Green triceratops, green bowl. What comes after W? Yes, X. Big X, little x. Yellow stegosaurus, yellow bowl. What comes after X? Y. Big Y, little y. Blue dinosaur, blue bowl. Just one dinosaur letter left. Big letter Z and little letter Z. Great matching! Yellow triceratops, yellow bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. Red dinosaurs, blue dinosaurs, green dinosaurs, yellow dinosaurs. We match all the uppercase and lowercase letters. That was fun! Let's do it again.